Cox's Bazar. Cox's Bazar is a city, fishing port and tourist center located in the southeastern part of Bangladesh. It is the headquarters of Cox's Bazar district in Chittagong division. Cox's Bazar is famous for its natural beauty, as the longest uninterrupted natural sandy beach in the world, which stretches for 120 kilometers. It is home to the largest marine fishing port and submarine cable landing station in Bangladesh. Cox's Bazar was once also known as Panoa, which literally means yellow flower. Another ancient name for it is Palanki. History from the early 9th century until the Mughal conquest in 1616, a large part of Chittagong, including Cox's Bazar, was part of the Arakan state. Mughal Emperor Shah Shuja was fascinated by the natural beauty of Cox's Bazar on his way to Arakan via the mountain road and ordered to set up camp here. But 1,000 palanquins of his expedition camped at a place called Dula Hazara in Chakaria. Cox's Bazar. Dulahara means 1,000 palanquins. After the Mughals, Chapira and Arakan were taken over by the Portuguese and the British. The name Cox's Bazar comes from the name of a British East India Company officer named Captain Hiram Cox. The previous name of Cox's Bazar was Palanki. The British East India Company Ordinance, 1773, was issued. Warrant Hosting was appointed as the governor of Bengal. Hiram Cox was then appointed as the Director General of Palanki. Captain Cox tried to resolve the 1,000-year-old conflict between the Arakan refugees and the local Rakhines and made significant progress in the rehabilitation of the refugees, but died 1799 before the work was fully completed. His rehabilitation contribution market was established and named Cox's Bazar. Cox's Bazar Tana was first established in 1854, and the municipality was formed in 1869. Location it is 152 kilometers south of Chittagong city. Its distance from Dhaka is 414 kilometers. It is the largest tourist center in Bangladesh. Cox's Bazar can be reached by road and air from the country's capital, Dhaka. With the completion of the project to establish a railway line from Chittagong to Cox's Bazar, currently 2 trains named Parjatan Express and Cox's Bazar Express are running regularly from Dhaka and Chittagong. It is worth noting that on November 11, 2023, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina officially inaugurated this railway project at the newly built iconic station in Cox's Bazar. After the inauguration, commercial train services started on December 1, 2023. Tourist attractions Cox's Bazar International Airport. Many institutions have been established here focusing on the tourism industry. In addition to many hotels built by private enterprises, hotels built by the Bangladesh Tourism Center, there are several 5-star hotels near the beach. In addition, a mussel market has been established here for tourists. A Burmese market has been established on the border with exotic goods from countries such as Myanmar, formerly Burma, Thailand, and China. The country's only fish aquarium is located here. There are also parasailing, water biking, beach biking, Cox's Carnival Circus Show, Darya Nagar Eco Park, numerous architectures built by the Cox's Bazar Development Authority, Future Park, Shishu Park, and numerous photo shoot spots. There is a night beach concert to enjoy here. As a result of lighting the sea beach, there is also an opportunity to enjoy the sea at night. For sculptures, sampan, starfish, Rupchanda, Janak sculpture have been installed at 4 important places in Cox's Bazar city. Galdagi, Goldagi, and Bazargata ponds are the 1,000-year-old heritage of Cox's Bazar. This project was undertaken to preserve the heritage of Cox's Bazar, enhance its beauty, and entertain tourists and local people. The project has been implemented with walkways, mosque renovations, souvenir shops, community buildings, snack bars, tourist desks, tourist information centers, bicycle parking stands, spacious public toilets, landscaping, amphitheater, dancing, water fountains, libraries, etc. As a result, an entertainment environment has been created for tourists and local people. Cox's Bazar is home to various tribal or ethnic groups, which has made the city more diverse. The Rakhine community is the main one among these tribes. There are Buddhist temples in Cox's Bazar city and Ramu, located nearby as holy pilgrimage sites for Buddhists. The temple in Cox's Bazar city has several rare Buddhist statues. These temples and statues are one of the attractions for tourists and are famous as the healthiest place in Bangladesh. Cox's Bazar Sea Beach * Cox's Bazar Beach is a beach located in Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh. At 150 kilometers, 93 miles long, this beach is the longest natural beach in the world. However, Brazil's 212 kilometers, 132 miles long Casino Beach is the world's longest, and Otcilia's 151 kilometers, 94 miles long 90-mile beach is currently the world's second longest beach, although some parts of the Australian beach are man-made. Cox's Bazar Beach is the most popular tourist attraction in Bangladesh. Numerous tourists visit this beach every day. Famous personalities Syed Abdul Hamid, titled Freedom Fighter Burr, Shrestha Nurul Huda, titled Freedom Fighter Burr, Pratik Muminul Haq, cricketer, Bangladesh national cricket team Inesar Rahman, Zico footballer Bangladesh national football team Muhammad Ibrahim, footballer Bangladesh national football team *. So let's visit the largest beach in the world.